Yes, si Kim Chiu nga ito. She reflects a genuine personality, a very humble and so kind.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the baby.
Nakaagaw nga ng atensyon ang post ng isang page na One Publicity PH. Ayon sa naging caption nito, she usually stays silent when noise surrounds her name. She chooses grace over reaction and picks her battles wisely. Humble in every sense, no matter how much is thrown her way. Say what you want, but the facts remain. She's one of the most successful reality show winners, 2 decades strong, still relevant, still book, and silent earning every single win, built on talent, sustained by hard work, respected because she never had it handled to her. She has earned every bit of what she has right now. So, before you call her anything, look in the mirror and ask yourself what you've really achieved. Marami namang Kim Pao supporters ang todo react sa naging post na yon ng page. Kung ano at sino si Kim Chiu now for almost 2 decades. Her life in industry is an open book to everyone since she joined PBB way back 2006. Who and what she is now are the price of hard work, dedication, love to her craft, and loyalty to her, and who help her to fulfill her dreams in life na makita lang siya sa TV and for her family, but because of her good heart and attitude, sobra pa ang ibinigay ni Lord sa kanya. You don't even heard from Kim to rebuttal all bad things thrown to her. She just pray for them, focus to her work, and keep going. Tama po. Thank you. Yes, mabait talaga ang Panginoon kay Kim kasi may mabuti siyang puso. She's the alibi we all need to remind us of what's truly important in life. God bless you more, Kim Chiu. You really reflects a genuine personality, a very humble and so kind. Kahit anong sabihin nila kay Kimi, bashers cannot put Kimi down because Kimi is protected by God. She remains humble, honest, and never lumaki ang ulo because of her popularity. Kaya maraming inggit sa kanya, especially now that Paolo Avellino is always in her side, being part of her life as her boyfriend supporting her. Kaya bashing never stops. Anyway, fans of Kim Pao never stops defending Kim Pao. The Kim Pao Landia, worldwide fandom ng Kim Pao. Maraming salamat po for defending Ma'am kay Kim Chiu. Very well said. Kim Chiu is her name. Of course, never stop supporting Kim and Pao. Let's stand up for the artists and clap back at the bashers. True that, every word. She keeps it grounded and humbled by all the blessings she received. Thanks, One Publicity PH. Very well said for appreciating Kim Chiu. She's unique, she's very talented, she's smart, she's beautiful inside and out. Totoo po ito. Itong nagustuhan ko kay Kim Chiu. Hindi niya pinapatulan ang mga bashers. Kahit na below the belt ng sinasabi nila, tahimik lang siya and appears not affected. Kaya niyang harapin ang mga pagsubok sa buhay silently. She knew that God is with her in every battle that comes her way. God bless you more, Kimi. Loud and clear, nag-iisang Kim Chiu lang naman, very humble kahit daming bashers niya mula sa PBB until now namamayagpag pa rin dahil sobrang bait niya sa mga tao pero di kaya siyang i-down ng kahit sino. Ang mahalaga wala siyang tinatapakang tao kahit napakasikat niya o mga bashers. Kaya niyong tularan ang isang Kim Chiu. God bless you always, Kim Chiu. Nailed it, Kimi. Beautiful, inside and out. Tama ka. Kaya mo yan, Kim. Always pray to God and He will comfort you and help you in all your trials. God bless you always. Agree, Kim Chiu is one of a kind. Beautiful, humble, talented. Love you, Kimi. It's very true. Kim Pao the best. Kimi, di kami magsasawang suportahan ka. We love you kasi napakabait mo. Forever na to. So true, Kimi is one of a kind. Well, totoo naman ang sinabing ito ng page na ito na talagang si Kimi. Ang taong may busilak na puso, napakabait, at hindi talaga siya marunong magalit. Kahit sobrang sikat na niya, at hindi siya pumapatol kahit pa below the belt na ang mga ibinabatong balita sa kanya. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.